This onboard system is designed for air suspension applications, but it can also be used with any high-pressure air horn or power tool that requires an onboard air system. Comes with a 2-gallon air tank, a 150 PSI heavy-duty air compressor, pressure gauge, pressure switch, fuse, hose, fittings and mounting hardware. Because the compressor is integrated with the tank, the air connection to the tank and electrical wiring to the pressure switch are already done, making installation easier and faster. If required, the air compressor can be removed from the air tank for installations where space is limited. Ideal for all vehicles with a 12-volt system.